Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about some pie chart diagrams, paragraphs, data interpretation like this. So, let's begin with the question number 1, that is the chart. The chart below shows. The chart below
Sure.
shows. Shows the result of an opinion poll among 1,000 people of Bhubaneswar on the issue of whether eviction मतलब उच्छेद of slum dwellers झुंपिड़ी घरवासी मानक उच्छेद करवा is justified, is should be small letter, right? Huh? Okay, is justified ठीक की for beautifying, this is beautifying, thus beautifying I, yes, this one is also I. Beautifying the capital city of Odisha, this is Odisha, you know, what did I say? Odisha. Write a paragraph using the information in the chart. Here, so in the opinion poll, we got 70% yes, 5% cannot say, and 20%, 25% no. An opinion poll was conducted to find out the views of ଲୋକମାନ ମତାମତ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିକୋଣ of the Bhubaneswar public on the problem of eviction of slum dwellers. Out of a random sample of 1,000 people, 700 people thought that the eviction of some dwellers, this is 70, yes, 70. Some dwellers is perfectly justified in the interest of the beautifying the capital city. 250 respondents, however, thought that it was inhuman or amanusika to evict these slum dwellers without making alternative arrangements, alternative arrangements for them. 50 people said that they were not sure if such an action was justified. The survey showed that the majority of the inhabitants of Bhubaneswar inhabitants means Basinda, of Bhubaneswar are in favor of Pakhyare of slum clearances. Next, number 2. Look at the table below showing. This is showing. What did I say? I. Showing the sale of two-wheelers, right? Yeah. Right. A paragraph interpreting the information given in the table. In. Yeah. Year 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Moped 3000, 5000, 4500, 4000. Scooter 16,000, 20,000, 15,000, 10,000. Motorcycle 12,000, 15,000, 37,000, 49,000. Let's see. A survey of the sale of Vikraya, sale means Vikraya. Could understand? Sale of two-wheeler, the dui chakya, two-wheeler means dui chakya, three-wheeler means tin chakya, rickshaw tin chakya, ne auto tin chakya, four-wheelers, 6-wheelers, 8-wheelers, 12-wheelers like this. So a survey of the sale of two-wheelers revealed Prakash Kari, revealed means Prakash Kala that while demand for mopeds, gear नथिया गाड़ी को मोपेड कुहाଯାଏ, has remained more or less steady during the last 4 years. Demand for scooters has considerably dropped in 2001. That is 2001. In 2001, the number of mopeds sold was 3,000, and in 2002, 2003, and 2004, the figures remained as 5,000. 4,500 and 4,500 respectively. The sale of the scooters stood at 16,000 in 2001, while there was a slight increase in what did I say? In 2002, which recorded प्रतिलिपि करथिला लिपिबद्ध करथिला सेल ऑफ 20,000 scooters, but it has progressively gone down to 15,000 and 10,000 in 2003 and 2004. The most remarkable revelation of the survey is the phenomenal increase in the sale of motorcycles. From 12,000 in 2001, it rose to 49,000 in 2004, while 15,000 and 37,000 motorcycles were sold in 2002 and 2003. Now let's move to the next one, that is the following pie chart. This is a pie chart. Could you understand what did I say? I. Pie chart shows the results of an opinion poll conducted by a leading newspaper on the best opinion, right? Opinion. Yes.
I.
Again here I. Matamat opinion means matamat, you know? Opinion. N. Again I have to write N. Okay. Poll conducted by a leading newspaper on the best age for girls to get married. Write a paragraph in about in about 100 words interpreting the information contained in it. Yeah, this is in it. Okay. It also. Right. That is a 12%, 16 to 18 years, 41%, 22 to 29 years, 3% after 30 years, no opinion, 80%, 36%, 9 to 21 years. So a survey was conducted by a leading, what do I say? Leading. Leading newspaper to find people's opinion regarding the best age for girls. The result showed that 12% people believed 16 to 18 years to be the best age for girls to get married, while 36% thought 19 to 21 years was the best age. 41% believed that 22 to 29 years was the right age for marriage. Only 3% thought that girls should not marry before 30 years. The rest had no opinion. This is no opinion. No opinion. Opinion to affair. Could you understand? With this, that is the end of today's pie chart class. We shall discuss the other charts in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.
So we are doing all these things from which test paper?
Sample test paper.
Which sample? TBW sample test paper plus 2 second year English.
2018.
For 2018. Right. Thank you. Okay.